Very good.
Good morning everyone, my name is Gasabo District. I'm in P6 class. I study from the plaisir Ecole active Birang. This is my second time these visitors are coming here. It was very great. Even for the first time it was very great. I thank for the visitors that came here. I wish they'll come back again. Thank you.
Let's read together.
Okay, thank you. My name is Vesti. I thank IUIF for this moment. We have opportunity to learn how to wash hands, and we thank you to everything we did for us and how you care, the gift you gave. Thank you so much.